Good morning, everybody. It's Diana with Stamping with Di. I thought I would pop on really quick today and remind you to sign up for my July class in the mail kit. So I thought I would just quickly show you the cards. I showed them on a live the other day, but I thought it might be easier if I strictly just do a video showing the cards so that it's easy for me to reference back to it. So let me get started and show these super cute projects that you will be making when you sign up for my class. Remember, it's by July the 10th, or if I sell out before then, because I have wall supplies last. All right, so the class in the mail kit for July is going to be the Glad Wear Friends. This is such a cute set, and I've done a few things with it already, and it's adorable. I mean, whether you have a dog or a cat or a gerbil, you are all set. So with the class, you'll get the stamp set. It is a cling set. That means it's red rubber. And so you'll need your own mounting blocks, and those are sold separately. You're also going to be getting a package of the 2022-2024 in color matte decorative dots, and these are what you'll use to accessorize your projects. I also have used other embellishments as well, and then those will be in your kit. So let me show you the projects. Now this is for the United States only, because I can only send within the USA, and I know I have viewers from, you know, other countries, so that's just the rules. All right, so here is one of the projects, a cute little candy bag with our sweet little kitty on there. And so this is one of the projects here, and I'll have the candy in your packet. You also have this cute little kitty, and this is using some of the new DSP, and I love that. This is a great, she's kind of like a fall looking kitty. It could almost be used Halloweenish in a way, if like she's dressed as a queen, right? All right. Then you have this cute one here with all the little critters peeking out of their little holes. I just love, love, love. And then you will get like all your die cuts. So this would already be die cut for you. Everything's cut, ready to go. Nothing is stamped. You'll have to use the stamp set that you're getting. Here's a fun little double Z fold card. I love that. And then the last one is this one here, Glad We're Friends. And this again uses some of the new DSP. So I just love this class so much. So make sure you sign up for that. It is $59. Let me pull this over here. So it's $59, and that includes the stamp set, the package of the in color matte decorative dots, the supplies to make the 5 projects, priority postage. There's a PDF that shows the supplies used, and then within that PDF there's going to be a private embedded video link, and then you can watch the video and make your projects right along with me. You can pause it, speed it up, go back and forth at your leisure. Stamp in your pajamas if you want. No one will see you except for you. And so like I said, it's $59 US only. Register by July the 10th. Or if I sell it before then, I'll have to close it. So there's like 8 days unless I sell out before then. If you are a member of my team, I offer them a discount of my classes, and that's $25, and that's the guts only. So when I say guts only, they will need to order on their own this right here. So they will be getting the guts, basically the cardstock, everything's cut just like everybody else, but they will not receive this, because what they do is they will order this on their own, and they will earn commission on their own Demonstrator ID, and then they'll save a little bit. So then they just pay $25 for the class. So that's just something that I do for my team, levels 1 through 3. Remember, if you want to join my team right now, we have a special going on during celebration. I showed this the other day. If you join my team, you will also get this free planner. It is amazing. It doesn't have the, this is just my little pen that's in there, but it has everything you need. It has a whole stack. It is starts July 2022 and it goes all the way to the end of 2023. And then you can start saving on your classes in the mail. All right, so let me spin the phone so I can say see you later. So if you have any questions at all in regards to the class, if you already have the stamp set, you just have to switch it out for a different catalog value. I had somebody actually switch out her bling because she had already ordered the matte dots. So instead, she picked something else, the same value, and that was the stamping blends, because it's the same cost as the bling. So anyways, well, I think it was a little bit different, but anyways, just let me know. If you need to switch anything out, you just have to let me know so that I order that, and then you would use your stamp set that you already have at home, and you would get the alternative item that you wanted with your class packet instead. All right, so I think I have covered everything. If I have missed something or if I've confused you at all, please reach out to me and I will get it straightened out. Okay, so have a great weekend and I will see you Monday. Bye for now.